Picture this. You walk into your home and the lights turn on automatically, the thermostat adjusts to the perfect temperature, and your favorite playlist starts playing in the background, all without lifting a finger. Sounds like something only tech experts or millionaires can afford, right? Well, not anymore. Setting up a smart home is easier and cheaper than ever. Today, I'll show you how to build your very first smart home setup on a budget. We'll cover the essentials you need, how to connect everything step by step, and the coolest features you can unlock without needing an electrician or expensive equipment. Why a smart home? First, let's answer the big question. Why bother making your home smart in the first place? Well, 3 reasons. 1. Convenience. Control lights, appliances, and even coffee makers right from your phone or voice. 2. Energy savings. Smart thermostats and plugs can cut your electricity bill by learning your habits. 3. Security. With smart cameras and door sensors, you can check in on your home anytime, anywhere. Basically, a smart home saves you time, money, and peace of mind. Where's the essential gear? Okay, let's talk about what you'll actually need. Smart hub or voice assistant, something like Amazon Alexa, Google Home, or Apple HomePod. This acts as the brain that connects everything. Smart plugs. These instantly turn dumb devices into smart ones. Plug in a lamp, a fan, or even your coffee maker, and now you can control it from your phone. Smart bulbs. Change brightness or even colors with a tap, or set them to turn on automatically when you get home. Smart thermostat. Learns your heating and cooling preferences to save money. Optional extras like doorbell cameras, motion sensors, or smart locks add another layer of functionality. Setup in action. Now here's the fun part, setting it up. Step 1, plug in your smart hub and connect it to your Wi-Fi. Step 2, download the companion app, Alexa, Google Home, or whichever you choose. Step 3, connect your devices one by one. For example, screw in a smart bulb, open the app, and boom, it's ready to control with your phone or voice. Want an example? Let's say you want your living room lights to turn on at sunset every day. In the app, you just set up a routine. When the sun sets, turn on living room light. Done. It's like programming your house without knowing any code. Cool automations. And once you get comfortable, you can get creative. Set your coffee maker to start brewing when your morning alarm goes off. Have your thermostat switch to eco mode whenever you leave the house. Or even program your lights to slowly dim at bedtime, helping you fall asleep naturally. These small automations make your home feel futuristic, but more importantly, they make everyday life smoother. So there you have it, a beginner-friendly smart home setup in just a few steps. No engineers, no crazy budgets, just a few gadgets and a phone. Would you start small with something like smart plugs or go big with a full home system? Drop your answer in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple, practical tech guides that make your life easier.